Okay guys, this is why it's going to be important to pull your inner carpet. That carpet doesn't take very many tools, right? You got like some Torx bits, a 10mm. Okay, there's your intercooler. I'm talking about a 2010 Q7 turbo diesel. Look at all the fun stuff you can see once you pull that carpet from that fender well. But guess what? Where'd all that come from? Well, now, who would have guessed? Behind the carpet, yeah, this. Guess what that does? That collects water, moisture, and rust, and creates fun shit for everybody. Fun stuff. So just take your bolts out, pull your carpet out, clean your cavities, guys. And then you might find something like that.